So let's try the wings, the lollipops, with some mayonnaise. So crunchy.
Okay, we're going to marinate the chicken wings. That's the chicken lollipops we made. What we need is ginger garlic paste, turmeric, chili powder, and a bit of seasoning powder, salt. You can add lemon juice, and if you don't have a lemon juice in hand, if you have a vinegar, you can put a touch of vinegar. Mix it nicely. Okay, and that's the marinade you need. And now we dip it in the batter, a bit of flour, and then fry it straight away. So you
Can leave in the fridge.
all right, so we're making a batter for the chicken wings. So 1 spoon of refined flour or maida, water, bit of salt, chaat masala, some seasoning powder. Mix it. If you feel it's too thin, you can add a touch more flour. So add in the baking powder, allow it to rest for a minute so it aerates the whole batter. So the oil is hot, ideally 170. I'm saying about the Celsius. So dip in the batter, the lollipop, drop it in.
Okay. Slowly move it around.
Ensure it's cooked evenly. Turn it to get it nice crispy. So now it's crispy, the chicken is cooked. Just take it off. Transfer to a kitchen towel. Let the oil get drained off and the extra oil. It's nice, crispy and crunchy. So if you have a wooden board, apply oil on it, just make it shine. And so on the wooden board, I'm just placing some the tadka mayo. Arrange the wings.
So once the wings is done, I'm just putting some pickled green chili, some pickled shallots,
Pickled onion ring, some of the pepper julienne, and a touch of chaat masala on the top.
So let's try the wings, the lollipops, with some mayonnaise. So crunchy, light batter, airy, and the chicken inside is juicy with the masala flavor. There is ginger garlic, I can taste it, chili, light batter, crunchy, very well.